Based in the attractive town of Totnes, Devon, Edge Recruits is building a model for the rest of the recruitment industry to follow. Set up in 2004 by Chris Leonard and John Ross, two industry professionals with a proven track record of successfully building recruitment companies, Edge Recruits is an agency with a difference. To keep margins higher, it's entirely web and phone-based and has no presence on the high street.
What we have proved is that you can improve the quality of service delivery without having any branches, which reduces your cost base and actually increases and improves your efficiency. That is the critical difference. But people just don't see that at the moment, even in the industry now. There's no talk about a branchless business model. But if you look at what else is happening in the high street, you look at what is happening at estate agents and maybe travel agents, and what happened to insurance brokers, they've gone and are going. And as the web becomes increasingly powerful and people work out new ways of doing things, that exit from the high street will grow. In our industry, it hasn't started happening, despite the fact that profits and turnover are being pressed.
The agency of the future is one that can be as we are. We've got a base here, a centre of excellence, and we have complete flexibility. We're not constrained by having branches and all the financial restrictions associated with that. And we go out to the people.
In order to be successful, Edge Recruits has placed great emphasis on levels of service. It stresses the importance of meeting clients and candidates in person. Recruitment cafes offer a chance for candidates to come and meet recruiters in a relaxed setting and ensure that recruiters can properly validate the candidate.
They come in and they're, wow, this is different, you're a recruitment company, yet, we've not seen this sort of thing before. And they really seem to value, just coming in, having a complimentary drink. And the whole style in which we go about it is obviously reflective of that as well. Quite often I know from the other side of the fence and from having been a candidate years ago that you go into a branch, CV in hand, or you have an appointment, and it's just can be so impersonal and disingenuous. Whereas this way, it allows us to really engage with those individuals on a sort of level footing.
When I look at what else is going on in the industry and I listen and read about what other industry leaders are doing, there is still no talk about developing a whole new supply chain. There is a lot of talk about a lack of profitability, about the losses being made by the big high street agencies in the high street sector. Now that is obviously focusing minds on issues. What they haven't done yet, as far as I can see, is start thinking about, outside the box in terms of how they actually resolve that problem. They're cost cutting, they're shutting branches, but they're not looking strategically in terms of how they need to maybe transform their businesses over the coming years.
Innovation is at the heart of Edge Recruits' offering. Candidates can post video resumes on YouTube or the Edge Recruits website. Phone interviews are recorded for employers' benefit.
Okay, what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to click a little button on my screen here which will allow me to access the satellite, and what will happen is it will say this call is being recorded. First thing I'll do is I'll ask you to confirm your name and that you're happy for me to send the recorded file over, and then we'll begin. Are you happy with that?
With USelect, Edge Recruits searches job websites on behalf of employers, all for a one-off fee. And JobBid brings employers and candidates together.
Our company is becoming more and more renowned for its technical innovations. The client will go on there, put in their requirement, they want so many people to work on such and such a time and so on, and for such and such a price. They'll press a button, and then a gallery of 5, 6, 10 or however many individuals who've said that they will be able to work at that time and fulfill all the criteria that the client has asked for. And all the client does then is click on that person and book them. And what happens as a result of doing that is the actual candidate or employee to be, so to speak, will get a text message on their phone saying, do you want to work at said place? Text back yes or no.
Edge Recruits is proving that a company of this kind need not be based in a major city. An attractive location and pleasant working environment are factors in recruiting and retaining its own staff.
I would certainly recommend it as a place to work. The career opportunities with this company are very good. And I think, like anything really, what you put in, you will get out. And people want that as success for you. And therefore, personally, I want to give more back to this company for the support that they're giving me.
Edge Recruits is successful for a number of reasons. It's run by experienced hands. It places great emphasis on service. It's innovative in its use of new technology. And it's a great place to work. The firm's ambition should ensure continued success.
We're very, very highly personalised, and it's a combination of being highly personalised and using all of our innovations to maximise efficiency. So we think that we have combined the best of both worlds.
You've got to go back a little bit and understand what really drives an industry. And it needs vision, it needs leadership, and it needs a strategy to get you there, to link it all up. That's the glue. And a lot of companies just don't have that. And that is what will make us succeed, because we've got the right recipe here. Seeing it through and having that belief and having that determination to do what other people have said won't work is what will make us successful, and what indeed is making us successful now.